Listen to numbers. عدد your number. 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 9 10 10 11 11 11 12 12 13 13 14 14 15 15 16 16 17 17 18 18 19 19 20 20 21 21 22 22 30 30 40 40 50 50 60 70 70 80 80 90 90 100 100 or 100 100. The difference between 15 and 50 is 15 is the last en or tn is long, like 15 15 or 16 16. But if I say 60, so the last is short, 60 50. Look, 14 40 15 50 16 60 17 70 18 80. Let's talk about the ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers are some kind of compound numbers. أعداد التركيبي. First يعني أول. First. Second دوم. Third سوم. Fourth Fifth Sixth Seventh Eighth Ninth Tenth Eleventh Twelfth Twentieth 21st. When it's 20, so after 20 you can say 21st, 22nd, 23rd, then you have to go 24th, 25th, 26th, because we have exception, first, second, and third, and after third we just add th, fourth, fifth, sixth. And when you come to 20, and then when you reach the 20, then you reach 21st, 22nd, and 23rd. Large numbers أعداد بزرگ. Big numbers. 100 or 100. 100 or 100. 200. 250. 250. 1000 or 1000. 1000 or 1000. 1200. 1200. 3346. 3846. 3,846, 82,043, 82,043, 234,407, 234,407, 234,407, 3,089,343, 3,089,342 and 40. This is a million or a million. Fractions, decimals, and percentage. Fraction, decimals, and percentages. Fractions, decimals, and percentages. Fraction كسرها, decimals عشري, and percentage فيصدي. So this is 1/8 يجب هشت. It's called a quarter. A quarter is 1/4, right? A quarter, a third, or a half, or 3/5, 3/5, not 0.5, not 0.5, or 1.7, 3.97, 3.97, 1%, 1%, 99%. This is 99%. Thank you very much. It was the second lesson. Please continue my third lesson if you want to learn more. Thank you so much.